Hi everyone, we're going to find the derivative of the function using the power rule. We're going to do this first one and the second one. Okay, for the first one, we're just going to do the chain rule. So it's going to be y prime equals, and we're going to have 3, and then you just take the derivative of cotan, which is negative secant squared of your inner function, right, times the derivative of n theta, which is just n. Remember, n's like x. All right? And then when you simplify this, we get, I'm going to pull this n in front, so we get negative 3n, pulling these in front. Negative 3n times cosecant squared of n theta. And the next one's, we have to use the product rule, and it's kind of lengthy, so we're going to do the power rule and the chain rule. So let's get started. We're going to do f of x and f prime of x equals, so copy this one down. We're using the, I should have called this the product rule. So 2x minus 3 to the fourth times, and here we're using the derivative of this using the chain rule. So that's going to be 5 times your inner function, and it's to the fourth, times the derivative of the inner function, which is 2x plus 1. All right, now we have to add. So now we're going to copy down this one. So that one is just going to be x squared plus x plus 1 to the fifth times the derivative of the first function. And we're using the chain rule. So that's going to be 4 times 2x minus 3 cubed times the derivative of the inner function, which is just 2x. Now, the only thing that makes this hard is having to clean it up. So we have this plus sign, and what I want to do is find common factors that I can factor out. So I have these two here that I can factor out. So my lowest one is cubed, so I can pull that out. So we get 2x minus 3 cubed. I also have 2 of these, but my lowest power is 4, so pull that out. When you pull that out, we're going to get, the rest is going to be, we still have 1 of these left, so 2x minus 3, and we have a 5, and we have our 2x plus 1. Right? And then we also have 1 of these, so that's going to be plus x squared plus x plus 1. This got factored out, so I can just multiply this 2 times the 4, and this should have been just 2, sorry. And that's going to give us times 8. Now, I'm going to keep this in front, and I'm going to simplify all of this. So let's do that. So I'm going to have 2x minus 3 cubed, x squared plus x plus 1. And then all I'm doing is cleaning up that part we had before. So it's going to be 20x squared minus 20x minus 15 plus 8x squared plus 8x plus 8. All right. Now, simplifying this further, what we're going to get is copy this down again, and we're just adding all this stuff up. So we get 2x minus 3 cubed times x squared plus x plus 1 And then we have 28 there. And for the x's, we're going to have 12 x's, negative 12 x's. And for our numbers, constants, we get negative 7. And this would be your final answer. So the key step in this was knowing what to factor out. You know how to factor out with the greatest common factor or highest common factor to factor that out. And then you just had to clean up this area. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.